Have you noticed a change in your strength, that subtle shift when you rise from a chair or feel a new hesitation on the stairs? This isn't just a passing feeling, it's a sign that the foundation of your mobility needs support. As we age, our legs can lose strength not just from lack of use, but from a lack of the specific nutrients required to maintain muscle. The food you eat plays a direct role in either accelerating this decline or fighting back against it. The right choices can fuel muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and provide the steady energy your legs need. In this video, we'll uncover 7 powerful, science-backed foods that can help restore strength, protect your muscles, and keep you steady on your feet. Stay until the end, because the #1 food is a common pantry item that most people don't prepare correctly for maximum benefit. Let's begin. 7 fatty fish. Fatty fish are a cornerstone for fighting the inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown. They are one of the best sources of the omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These powerful compounds are not just good for your brain. They directly signal muscle cells to increase protein synthesis and reduce the chronic low-grade inflammation that promotes muscle wasting, a condition known as sarcopenia. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults with higher omega-3 levels had significantly better muscle mass and strength. Furthermore, the high-quality protein in fish provides the essential amino acids needed for repair. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week to fuel your muscles and protect them from age-related decline. 6 Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a superior dairy choice for leg strength due to its concentrated protein content, often providing nearly double the protein of regular yogurt. This protein is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady trickle of amino acids into your bloodstream, perfect for overnight muscle repair and maintenance. It is also a fantastic source of calcium and vitamin D if fortified, which work synergistically to support bone density. Strong bones are the foundational framework that your leg muscles pull against. Without them, even the strongest muscles are at risk. The probiotics in yogurt also support gut health, which can improve the absorption of all these crucial nutrients. 5 eggs. The humble egg is a leg strength powerhouse, primarily due to its perfect protein profile and high leucine content. Leucine is the most critical branched-chain amino acid for switching on the process of muscle protein synthesis, the body's mechanism for building new muscle. As we age, we need a higher leucine threshold to trigger this process, and eggs deliver it efficiently. Research from the University of Illinois found that eating whole eggs after resistance exercise led to a 40% greater muscle-building response compared to eating just the whites. The yolk contains nearly half the protein, along with healthy fats, vitamins B12 and D, and choline, which supports nerve function. For a mere 20 cents per egg, you are getting one of the most bioavailable and cost-effective tools for maintaining leg muscle. 4 pumpkin seeds. When it comes to magnesium, pumpkin seeds are one of the most concentrated food sources available. Just a single ounce provides a significant portion of your daily requirement. Magnesium acts as a natural calcium blocker. When a muscle contracts, calcium flows in. To relax, magnesium is needed to push the calcium out. Without enough magnesium, muscles can get stuck in a contracted state, leading to a painful cramp. This is why leg cramps, especially at night, are a common sign of magnesium deficiency. By ensuring adequate intake, you help your leg muscles contract powerfully and then relax fully, reducing cramping and improving overall muscle function. They are also a good source of zinc and healthy fats for overall cellular health. Number 3. Tart cherries. Tart cherries, particularly in concentrated juice form, are a powerful recovery aid. They are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their deep red color and potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. For your legs, this means a significant reduction in post-exercise muscle soreness and a faster recovery of muscle strength. Research involving marathon runners and strength-trained individuals showed that those who consumed tart cherry juice reported less pain and strength loss after intense activity. This allows for more consistent, pain-free movement, which is key to long-term strength. 2 beets are a unique functional food for leg strength because of their high concentration of dietary nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that acts as a powerful vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens your blood vessels. This dramatically improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles in your legs, especially during physical activity. Studies have shown that consuming beetroot juice can enhance exercise endurance, reduce the oxygen cost of exercise, and improve overall performance. This means you can walk farther, climb stairs more easily, and exercise for longer without getting fatigued, which in turn leads to greater gains in leg strength over time. 1 bone broth, the right way. The number 1 food most seniors have, but use incorrectly, is bone broth. Most people sip it like tea, which is fine for hydration. But to truly harness its power for your legs, you must use it as a cooking liquid. Simmering collagen-rich bones for long periods extracts gelatin, proline, and glycine, the very building blocks of your tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Your leg joints are under constant pressure. By using this mineral-rich, collagen-packed broth as the base for your soups, stews, and even to cook your rice or quinoa, you are directly supplying your body with the raw materials it needs to repair and strengthen the connective tissues that stabilize your knees and hips. This provides the durable scaffolding that allows your leg muscles to function safely and effectively. So there you have it, 7 powerful, science-backed foods that provide your legs with the specific proteins, minerals, and compounds they need to fight back against weakness and maintain your independence. Remember, this isn't about a single miracle meal. It's about consistently incorporating these foods into your weekly diet to provide ongoing support. Your legs carry you through life. It's time to give them the fuel they deserve. Start by choosing 1 or 2 of these foods to add to your grocery list this week. If this video empowered you to take control of your strength, please support our mission by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with a friend or loved one who wants to stay strong and steady on their feet. We read every comment, so tell us below, which of these foods are you most excited to start eating for stronger legs? Let's build a stronger community together. Thanks for watching.